Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today I have brought 10 amazing kitchen cooking tools from Amazon that are very necessary for your kitchen and will help you save time, so don't drag the video. Watch the whole video, and if you like the video, subscribe and click the bell icon to get more new videos. So guys, let's start the video. Non-stick set car saute pan. Hexclad's patented hybrid tech utilizes tri-ply construction. Aluminum between two layers of stainless steel laser-etched with our hexagonal non-stick surface to deliver the searing power of stainless, durability of cast iron, and easy cleanup of non-stick. This deep saute pan boasts a large cooking surface and has a 7-quart volume, which means you can fry up tons of chicken, braise large pieces of meat, poach a bunch of eggs, or roast an entire chicken. Hexclad products that are sold by Hexclad Cookware are backed by a lifetime warranty from manufacturer's defects. Commercial and restaurant use excluded. Your purchase includes one Hexclad 7-quart saute pan and one tempered glass lid. The 7-quart saute pan measures approximately 12 inches in diameter, 3.5 inches in height, and 5 pounds in weight. Air fryer. Less fat. Now enjoy guilt-free food. Air fry with up to 75% less fat than traditional frying methods. Tested against hand-cut, deep-fried French fries. Wide temperature range. 105 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit allows you to gently remove moisture from foods or quickly cook and crisp foods with convection heat. Family size capacity. 4-quart ceramic-coated non-stick basket and crisper plate fit 2 pounds of French fries. 4in, 1 versatility, includes for versatile cooking programs. Air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate. Dehydrate. Create flat, chip-like dehydrated foods for fun, homemade snacks. The combination of low fan speed and low temperature enables thorough dehydration. Easy to clean, dishwasher-safe parts including the basket and crisper plate. Wipe to clean machine exterior. What's included? Shark air fryer, 4-quart non-stick basket, crisper plate, and 20 recipe booklet. Salt and pepper grinder. High-quality glass brushed stainless steel salt and pepper mill set. Home EC salt and pepper mills are easy to grip and made of the highest grade non-corrosive, brushed stainless steel, and BPA-free glass bottle. This salt grinder and pepper grinder set is a modern, classy, and user-friendly addition to your kitchen accessories. Perfect for a gourmet meal or dinner party. Great gift or party favor. Asterisk salt and pepper not included. Easily adjustable ceramic grinder. Our salt and pepper shakers have a larger heavy-duty ceramic rotor than competitors. Just twist the knob at the top of each salt and pepper shaker to set your desired coarseness of salt, pepper, or spice. An authentic home EC salt and pepper mill pair and funnel arrive in branded packaging with a foam tray to protect your salt and pepper grinder mills. Chef ebook will be emailed. Onion slicer. Multifunctional onion slicer. Javar onion holder slicer features a unique design with 10 stainless steel forks under the handle, ensuring a comfortable grip and preventing slippage while cutting. It allows for even slicing of onions, tomatoes, lemons, and meats. Convenient and easy. The onion holder slicer allows you to replace your hands while cutting. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, making it easy for anyone to use. Dishwasher safe. With its smooth surface and high-quality material, the onion holder slicer is easy to clean. Paper towel holder. High-quality material. This paper towel holder is made of high-quality aluminum alloy material, lighter but stiffer and stronger than stainless steel. It is waterproof, rust-proof, corrosion-resistant, can last for a long time. Matte black coating makes it even more stylish and beautiful. Save space. The paper towel holder is perfect for your kitchen, bathroom, garage, RV, etc., and vertical or horizontal installation can help you save the most space. Easy installation. There are 2 ways to install this paper towel holder, self-adhesive or drilled. You can freely choose the appropriate installation method according to your wall or cabinet situation. Widely used. Not only a paper towel holder. This product can also be used as a towel rail, foil holder, toilet paper holder, hat rack, utensil holder, etc. Get one and use it as you like. Vacuum sealer. Chef Preserve Ultimate Starter Bundle includes 1 compact vacuum sealer, 30 reusable vacuum bags, 3 glass vacuum containers. Money bag, reduce waste and save money. Chef Preserve keeps food fresh 5 times longer than non-vacuum storage methods. Never worry about spoilage ever again. White heavy checkmark powerful, quick, easy to use. Simply press the button to start. The device vacuum seals a bag in 5 seconds and automatically shuts off when done. SUI Chef Preserve Ultimate Starter Bundle includes 1 compact vacuum sealer, 30 reusable vacuum bags, 3 glass vacuum containers. Money bag, reduce waste and save money. Chef Preserve keeps food fresh 5 times longer than non-vacuum storage methods. Never worry about spoilage ever again. White heavy checkmark powerful, quick, easy to use. Simply press the button to start. The device vacuum seals a bag in 5 seconds and automatically shuts off when done. Kitchen sponges. 6 scrubbing sponges. This pack of Scotch-Brite Zero Scratch Scrub sponges includes 6 sponges. Effective, gentle. Tackle everyday messes with these non-scratch sponges that safely clean grease, grime, and dirt so even the messiest surfaces shine like new. 3x quicker asterisk. They can help you clean 3x quicker compared to other leading temperature-reactive sponges. Safe on most surfaces. Multipurpose scrubbing sponges for cleaning dishes, non-stick pots and pans, countertops, glass, tubs, showers, and more. Do not use on stainless steel appliances. Flexible, durable, strong. These sponges for dishes are S-shaped for a comfortable grip while getting into corners easily. Made from recycled content. The scrubbing fibers are made from 100% recycled plastic for a sustainable clean. Bamboo kitchen drawer. Food storage bag holder. Make your drawer neat and organized with this bamboo box. The bag organizer is designed specifically for your food storage bag's organization. Size: 12.5L into 12W into 3H. Compatible with most bags. Compatible with gallon, quart, sandwich, and snack sizes bags. 21 label stickers included. Identify drawer contents instantly with the labels on the box. You can label the organizer clearly or not use the labels to keep the clean look of the bamboo holder. 1 box with 4 slots. Multiple box slots offer you a great way to organize food storage plastic bags, which can fit in different sizes drawers to meet your needs. No assembling needed. Our bamboo organizer box comes fully assembled and easy to use. Size: 12.5 into 12 into 3 inches, 1 PCS. USPTO patent pending. French fry cutter. Classic vegetable chopper. Made of high-quality BPA-free food-grade ABS plastic. This durable vegetable chopper is equipped with all-around protection for hands and ultra-sharp stainless steel blades for better performance when chopping/dicing hard fruits and vegetables. Versatile chopper. This French fry cutter is equipped with 4 blades, including 2 dicer and 2 wedge blades. It is ideal for evenly cutting French fries, carrots, and zucchini. When handling blades, please be careful as the blades are sharp and can cause injury. Save space time. This compact space-saving kitchen chopper vegetable cutter is easily stored away for safekeeping, as all pieces fit into the chop box container. Additionally, with the added convenience of its container, once fruit and vegetables have been cut, they can easily transferred into a pot or pan. Egg dispenser. Efficient egg storage solution. This durable clear plastic egg dispenser for refrigerator effortlessly holds up to eggs, making it an ideal kitchen egg organizer with lid for any household seeking improved fridge organization. Sleek design with natural accents. The egg holder with wooden lid features a stylish wooden top that adds a touch of natural elegance, seamlessly integrating into any modern kitchen while maintaining efficient refrigerator egg storage. Robust and transparent construction. Made from durable clear plastic, this clear egg container ensures longevity and strength. Easy to clean and refill. The smooth surface and removable lid make it easy to clean, refill, and maintain a hygienic storage environment.